My name's Neil from Energy Entertainment. We're going to learn Dragon Staff palm spin today. A few ways of getting into it. You can just hold your palm up. I use my left hand, you can use both right and left. Just give it a little spin and just angle it on your palm like this, okay? You can do it with your right hand if you really need to. The aim of it is try and keep the staff as level as possible when it's spinning on your hand. So what I do is I can hold here and just give it a flick, and then you can do the palm spin. Obviously if you're spinning, doing a chi row like this, and you want to get into the palm spin, the staff's just going to be spinning a little bit, and if you rotate your hand like this, then you can keep it spinning. Thanks for watching, guys. That was the Dragon Staff palm spin. If you'd like to see more Dragon Staff tricks or any other flow art tricks from staff, poi, whip cracking, make sure you subscribe, give us a like, and ask us any questions in a comment.